Ham radio operators in the UK no longer have to pass a Morse test, but it doesn't stop you learning. Stay tuned, I'll tell you how. Welcome to the Ham Radio Junkie with me, Keith. This is part 5 in our series on how to learn Morse code. I'll leave a link in the description below to the others in the series. So what have we done so far? Well, you can see that in every lesson we've learnt 5 characters from the alphabet. And today we're on the last 6 characters, which will finish off the alphabet. So by the end of the day you'll be able to start sending whole sentences and words. So without further ado, here's the first letter today, and it's the letter U. The letter V. W. X. Y. And Z. And now all the letters sent together. And here's some words sent using all the letters we've learnt so far. So what did I just send on the key? I've tried to make these all relatable to amateur radio, and they may crop up in QSOs. So starting at the top left hand corner and working down to the bottom right. As always, pause this once they're all on the screen, and that way you can check what's on the screen against what you wrote down. Please don't be disheartened if you didn't get them all. So, just to recap, so far in this series we've learned all the letters. We've now got a recap coming tomorrow, and then we're going to concentrate on numbers and call signs. I hope you're enjoying this series, and if you are, please give me a thumbs up. At least that way I know I'm doing something right. Even consider subscribing. So, my name's Keith, my call sign is G0FEA, and I'm the Ham Radio Junkie. I'll catch you next time.